In the previous video, I told you Bitcoin will break out and pump for 5%, and that's exactly what happened. Right now we are turning this resistance into support, and in this video I will be talking about the next move of Bitcoin, so make sure you are watching. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Amo from Crypto Paradise. So this breakout worked like a charm. We really used the knowledge of magical number 3 to our advantage, because as you can see on a fourth attempt it really broke to the upside exactly as we have been expecting. And right now this past price action resistance zone, which is also a Fibonacci retracement zone, which I have been talking about in the previous video, extremely important zone which got rejected again for first time, second time and third time as well. So once again magical number 3, and as you can see on a fourth attempt we are above it. This supply zone right now is destroyed and bulls are successfully retested the previous resistance. So right now this area right here will be acting as strong support zone. Obviously with Paradise VIPs we have been turning this impulsive move to our advantage. With scalping members we have made absolutely excellent 113% profit on 25x leverage. We also had opened ethereum swing position which we already closed also for 6.9% profit on 3x leverage. This was very safe and solid. 20% smaller but consistent profitability. This is what you need in order to be long-term profitable. So right now let's talk about the next move of Bitcoin. For this we will be talking about some exclusive data which will help us to understand where the probabilities are laying out. Is this going to hold with a higher probability or are we going to dump below it? So let's take a look at funding rates. First of all, with this move to the upside, with this impulsive move to the upside above the resistance, we also increased our funding rates, which is a little bit decreasing the continuation now. Before we can continue higher, there is a higher probability that we will liquidate these long positions. So if you are in some over-leveraged long position right now, I would be extremely careful. With Paradise VIPs we have already secured our profits. In most of our other positions we have stop losses to break even and we are playing it safe. Let's take a look at the sentiment. With this move to the upside, as you can see right here, the sentiment also increased, and that's usually not a great sign. As you can see, every time when the Bitcoin goes to the upside and the sentiment follows, it means that people are fear of missing out buying right here, and whales are using it to take profits on this liquidity. Let's take a look at some liquidation data right here. We can see loads of positions, over leverage long positions, have their liquidation prices around these levels. So again, for the market makers this is very juicy and tempting level to just wick out and move the price down here in order for the Bitcoin to move higher in the medium time frame. But when there is loads of people over leverage in over leverage positions, it is not possible, right? So that's why occasionally we need to shade them out. Let's take a look at what we can see on trading clients. So we can see that some big limit order just got filled. This is a sell limit order. We have one here above us as well, which is working as a huge sell wall, and that's keeping the prices down right here. We have some market buying. This is basically from the retail. That's why the sentiment is so up, right? So this is fear of missing out market buying, but at the same time we can see right here at the bottom that some smart money are actually being filled on their limit sell orders. All right, so this is panic market buying, this is smart relaxed limit sell link. The different happened here at the dip right here when we told you that we are buying Bitcoin. We have seen bit buying on limit buy orders, however there was some huge panic selling, right? So complete opposite happening right now. I'm not saying it is going to dump right away, but we need to be very careful, because also on Binance futures exchanges we can see that some smart whales are having their their huge buy limit orders at lower prices right here. At the same time, the open interest on the recent buying pressure is decreasing, which is also not a very positive sign. So to conclude this very quickly, in order to decrease the leverage which is right now in the market, we need to consolidate here for a bit above our support zone, making it stronger. And if this support zone is going to hold, we are then going to our higher levels, which is $93,000. We are already in this impulsive 5 moves to the upside. As you know, this is the C wave which I have been talking about in the previous video. I do expect the C wave will take us towards $93,000. Then we will have some bigger ABC correction move, and then we will continue in a E wave. But right now, be very careful in the C wave. This is most bullish wave. However, it is also the most volatile one, right? So make sure you are trading like a professional. Be extremely careful. We are very bullish right here. The probabilities of continuation higher without some downwicks below us will even increase if we can close a daily candle today above this support zone. So we are monitoring with the Paradise team the markets. We are playing it safe. Smash the like button if you have enjoyed the previous analysis, because if you have been watching that at the right time, you know that I have been telling you that this is going to break out with a higher probability, and it did. And right now also we are above this resistance and turning it into support. So make sure you have the notification bell on in order not to miss any future video. If you are ready to start trading like a professional and you want to get access to our trading signals from the Paradise team and our portfolio, so you can everything see in real time exactly where we enter, exit, and where we have our invalidation levels, I will see you in Paradise Sim VIP right after watching this video, or just join our free Telegram channels where we post interesting analysis and data on daily basis. Share this video with your friends, and I will see you next time. Cheers!